Hi! In front of me is ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can pick theme of this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and choose customization. Over here you can select canvas over here. Choose next, then get started and pick one of your photos. I will go with that one. Following that, you can choose preview at the top right corner. Wait a bit. And as you can see, this is how it will look. If you wish to save it, you can click at the top right corner. If you wish to delete it, click on preview again. I will save it though. So now I have to click yes in the pop-up and wait. Then you have to go back into the same settings, click on clock on app ident display, select one of those options, and tap on save at the bottom right corner. Now choose fingerprint animation if you wish to. I don't have my fingerprint set up, so I can do it right over here, but I can click on horizon light and select one of those options. Then save the chosen one by tapping at the bottom right corner again. Finally, you can choose accent color, pick one of those, like green, and save it, or click on customization and adjust it however you wish to by swiping left or right. Now choose system icons, pick one of those. I will go with teardrop, they will appear in your tab menu, and tap on save. Then click on icon back, select one of those shapes, click save, and finally click on font style. Font over here, select one of those and click save one more time. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!